we're not really challenging you, another level gang. I know you might feel awkward up from up there. You're like, what the fuck are they doing? They built something better. No, actually, we didn't build anything. They're just showing off. Look at it for yourself what they made. What the fuck is this? I mean, what is even happening? I mean, don't send your children over there again to test that build quality. You don't, build quality is not needed because that's obviously fake. Chill, relax, go sleep. Yeah, subscribe and follow and comment and do whatever you want, man. Kill mosquitoes. Who cares?